Hello guys, once again welcome back to another video. Right now I am at TCR, means engine control room, and my vessel is at Brazil port. Loading is going on. So this video is going to be very special because here it's all about myself. Here I am going to share my journey. How was my 6 months? Here I am going to complete my 6 months. I thought why not make a video and tell you how was my journey. So as you know, my duty is 4 to 8. At sailing, my duty is with 4th engineer, and at anchorage and at port, my duty is 3rd and 4th. Because at anchorage and port, 4th and 3rd they do 6 on 6 off, means 6 hours work, 6 hours rest. So if you ask me how was my journey, it has been great. So sometimes it felt like it was so hard, and sometimes it felt like it was so easy. Life kept moving on through this. This is how I completed my 6 months. So if you ask me what work I had to go through, so I have to assist officers. It could be cleaning generators, lube oil filters, centrifugal filters and fuel oil filters. It could be assisting freshwater cooler. It could be assisting lube oil main engine cooler. It could be assisting freshwater pumps or main engine. It could be assisting at freshwater generators. It could be cleaning filters of purifier. It could be helping in sea chest. It could be helping in valves during overhaul. It could be in bilge and slush pump filters cleaning. It could be assisting on purifier during overhaul. It could be assisting on air compressors during overhaul. It could be assisting in generators during changing fuel injector and taking rapid clearances. It could be assisting on main engine during overhauls. It could be cleaning under piston. Each and everything you have to do, and also I had to go through cleaning, painting, brooming, mopping, and arranging tools. Each and everything you have to do. I think this is not my journey. This is every wiper and oiler journey. So also officers they had to do when they were ratings. So through these works I had to go through, and I have made so many videos where I have shown you each and everything without editing. So this is all about engine department. This is the journey of wiper and oiler. If I talk about what works are done on deck, means what is the life OS and AB. If I talk about on deck, there are done there. So guys, if I talk about deck department, there is done chipping, paintings, cleaning, washings, brooming, moppings, and also mooring operations. Each and every OS and AB they have to do this work. So I told you wiper, oiler. So if I will tell you in detail, maybe this video could be long. So I will not go in details. And I also tell you OS and AB work, each and everything. So please tell me in the comment box how did you like this video, and see you in next video. And so guys, as you know, right now I am at Brazil port. So yesterday I got time to go outside, and yesterday I went to beach, Santiam beach in Brazil. I enjoyed yesterday. Had a great day. I think I enjoyed too much. So this is the journey of every sailor. Whenever vessel comes at port, you can go and enjoy every. I think vessel, if your vessel go like every country like Japan, UK, Canada, you can go and enjoy there. So this is the journey of every sailor. So there I made a video and I will upload, but it will take time. So please tell me in the comment box. See you in next video. So guys, see you next video. So if you like this video, you can appreciate me by like, and if you don't like, you can dislike. It's okay. See you next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.